Hello everyone. Today I am discuss about SNMP configuration. It means Simple Network Management Protocol, and also it is used to monitor and manage network devices connected to over an IP. Examples between connected to two routers, between servers and CCTV cameras. Okay, let's move our today task. You can see my today task. I am here, and this is my diagram, and also I'm already assigned their interface IP addresses. Okay, you can see all the interface IP addresses and PC IP address I'm already assigned. Okay, let's move our first task. Configure the following SNMP communities on router 1. This router read only Cisco 1 and read write Cisco 2. Okay, let's go to router 1 CLI and enable configure terminal and type SNMP server. You can see this Cisco SNMP server enable. You can see community enable SNMP. Set community streamline access. Okay, now I type community Cisco 1. Cisco 1 is read only. Okay, now I type next Cisco 2 read write. Okay, first task is done. SNMP server community. Okay, now I'm going to next task. Use a SNMP get message via the MIB browser on PC. Check. Okay, now I go to PC and yes, you can see MIB browser. And I type this router, this interface IP address 192.168.12.25. Now I go to advanced and type read community mean Cisco 1. Okay, I type Cisco 1 and write Cisco 2. Okay, now I press OK. Okay, second configuration part done. And what is the currently configuration hostname R1 and okay, now I go to hostname, check hostname. MIB3 route STD ISO organization DOD internet management system, and you can see system name. Type select time system name, go. You can see this is host name in our router. Okay, now check how many interfaces. Now I go to interfaces, the interface number, and press go. You can see 4 interfaces and all the details here. How many interfaces? 4 interfaces. Okay, what are those interfaces? Next task, what are those interfaces? Now I identify table. You can see their details. All the details are in here. Their interface and interface value, type, and all the things are included in here. Okay, Now I go to last configuration. Use SNMP set message from PC1 to change hostname. Okay, I'm going to change our router hostname. I'm going to system name and go. And I'm operation set operation name. Data type using octal string and value. I'm set new name for our router. I'm set R1 type. Okay, and go. You can see change. Now I go to check it and see. You can see our router hostname is changed now. Okay, today I'm discuss about this configuration part. You can see today my diagram is very small because Cisco have no more SNMP configuration. Therefore, this is only can do in Cisco routers. Okay, that's all about my today video. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friend. Thank you very much.